Hello there. What we're going to do, and this sort of comes off the back of my XJ40 video sorting out the ABS sensor, is to have a look at one of the things that will now be tested on the MOT that was not tested previously, and that is height correcting headlamps. So if we put the lamps on here in the Micra, you can see on this smart car, Smart for 4 in front of me, that the headlights are currently on. Obviously down here, just below the radio, we've got this switch which adjusts the height of the headlamps dependent on what load you have in the back of the vehicle. So to make sure that these are still working, and this is just a really rough attempt, if I switch to position 1, you'll see the beam shift. Position 2, beam shifts again. And then position 3, the beam shifts even more. If we go back to position 0, you can see that the beam returns to normal. And that should work on both headlamps. If it does not, the motor actuators have either become seized or need replacement. And that's it for today. As always, don't forget to hit like and also consider subscribing for more fascinating upcoming hobbies, and a longer video should be appearing at the weekend. Thanks for watching.